So this is actually really fun to see again. This is like over a month or maybe like 2 or 3 months even. I'd have to check. But I was gonna release this around the time the fact that Corona came from a bat was found out. So I was like, you know what, let's wait on that, and then I just kind of went off. I think I started the monkey or something at the time. But it's kind of fun to see this sort of like techno-organic process developing, because this is definitely when I was still in the learning phase of kind of how organic structures work, really how to organize myself to kind of get organics, get the flow, get things to interact in the way I wanted to. And you see me try a lot of versions of those wings. Uh, like I had the head, I got the style of the head done, and I'm like, I want wings, and I just go and I'm trying. Wings are actually, especially bat wings, but actually wings in general, they're actually very complicated. Especially when it comes to something that has sinew, like the way the bat wings have. So it's like, a bat wing is essentially just like a hand with like really long fingers. So and like webbing, so like the stuff is like dramatically more longer, and I imagine like stronger. If they can fly with it. Also, if you have time, look up the theories on how bats evolved wings. Is actually quite interesting. um, it's one of those things where it's like, I feel like if, because basically the idea is that you had just like tree predators that would jump from tree branches and grab insects that were coming by, and over time, somehow, like, their hands got really big and skin came in between. Yeah, yeah, it's about as weird of a story as you would expect when you kind of contemplate the creature that a bat is in and of itself. But I'm sort of back to the point of this video. It's to highlight one kind of constant with our job as a designer, and it's that a lot of times we end up, spending 80 hours to learn how to do that same thing we spent 80 hours on in 15 minutes. So like, looking at this wing, I remember studying a lot of bat anatomy. I remember studying a lot of bird anatomy and butterflies and insect. Um, doing some Moe and studies as well. And I can look at this. I could probably now do this in much less time. But the truth is that it doesn't take me 15 minutes. It takes me however long I spent studying all of these, and like, because this is not my first time doing a bat. It's my first time doing a bat in Moe. You know, and yeah, actually, there was like a brief moment where you could see like old versions of the bat. But yeah, I just thought it was a cool clip to show, and I just wanted to give a little bit of commentary on it. You know, don't be afraid to put in the work, and don't be afraid to optimize.